What is it about those people? Have you ever seen those ministers who are always writing new books or always speaking amazing messages? Have you ever seen those worship bands who are always coming out with a new CD every year, revolutionizing the worship world? What is it about those people? Well, I'll tell you what it is. They are on the prophetic cutting edge of what God is doing. And there's times in our lives when we will get completely aligned with what the Lord is saying over our life. We're running with the right people, and we will be on the prophetic edge of what God is doing. And when God elevates you and gets you in that place of extreme favor and blessing, do whatever it takes by the Spirit of the Lord to stay there. One of the saddest things that I think I've seen in ministry is I see somebody get lifted up to new levels and new dimensions, and then a year later you don't see them anymore. You don't hear about them anymore. But what I love to see are the worship groups and the ministers who year after year after year are constantly speaking the word of the Lord. They're giving the word of the Lord for that year. They're coming out with a new book that is just helping so many people. It is because they are on the prophetic edge of what God is doing. We've all got those worship bands that we can't wait until they come out with a new CD. Is it because we just need a new CD? No, it's because we know that the song of the Lord is coming from them. You will travel all over America to get to that conference where 2 or 3 of your favorite ministers are, just not because you like them, because you know these men and women of God will have a powerful word from God because they are on the prophetic edge of what the Lord is doing and saying. My friend, do whatever it takes to get on the prophetic edge of what God is saying in your ministry, in your life, and in your business. I'm telling you, if there are people that are holding you back, making you where you're not sharp, you need to cut that away. Cut the toxic people, the things away. What are you watching? What are you listening to? What are you allowing to influence your life? Get it out of the way, because I'm telling you, we are entering into a season when God is about to use some people in a great and a mighty and a powerful way. And I want to be and stay on the prophetic edge of what God is doing. I hope this helped you, and let God use you in a mighty way.